guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to do the Milkmaid braids. If you guys are new here, my name is Larissa and this hairstyle is super easy and fun for the summer and it's less than 5 minutes to do. So I don't know about you guys, but I'm not a morning person and I don't want to be spending hours on my hair. So these are great hairstyles. This is a great hairstyle for days that you just want to get your hair off of your neck, and if maybe you just haven't shampooed your hair in a couple days and you just want to get it up so that people don't know, this is the hairstyle for you. Let's get right into it. Okay, so to start the Milkmaid braids, let's try that again. Alright, so to start, you're just going to section your hair right into two, so right down the middle, and you're just going to grab one side and do a 3-strand braid, just a normal 3-strand braid. And then just secure it with an elastic at the bottom. And pancake it up. Alright, there's one side, and just do the same on the other side. Alright, so this is where you're going to take your one braid and just put your finger here and bring this up right over the top, and then you're just going to secure this with bobby pins. And then bring the other side up and do the same thing, and then just cover those other ends from the other braid, and then you're just going to tuck these ends right under the other braid to make it look like it's one big braid, and then again just secure that braid with bobby pins, and then these little poofs you can just pin those back. And then this is where you can hold down pieces and bring that front piece out. Just make it super messy. The girls that wore this, they just threw this up so that their hair was out of their face, out of their, off their neck. And it's so super easy and it's super quick. It's great for the summer and all year round, because if you're wearing a coat, it's up and off your neck. So all around, great hairstyle. I will see you guys next time. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye!